Hey guys, this is Thomas from freewaysocial.com, and in this video I'll show you how to make a new channel on YouTube app. Would you like to make a new channel on YouTube app? Follow these steps and you will learn how. Go to youtube.com on your internet browser. Tap on the three dots icon at the upper right corner of your screen. Select Desktop Site option from this menu. Now click on your profile picture at the top right corner of your screen. Select Settings from the drop-down menu. Click on Add or Manage your channels. Tap on Create a Channel button. Now type in your new channel name. Click on the empty box below and press on Create button and your new channel will be created. That's how it's done. I hope this guide was helpful and you're able to make a new channel on YouTube app. Don't forget to like this video and visit us at freewaysocial.com.